Welcome to Second Life Upcycling. In this upcycling and sewing tutorial, I transformed a dress into a skirt and then added the sleeves to a top. I bought the dress from my local thrift store for $2. Nobody wanted it and it was on the last chance rack, destined for landfill within a couple of days. The dress style didn't suit me, but I knew it would be an easy upcycling project because there was an invisible zip in the side seam, plus a built-in waistband. This upcycling project couldn't be any easier. Also, the sleeves had a pretty lace detail and I just loved them. So let's get started. The first step was to cut the skirt from the top of the dress, ensuring to cut enough extra fabric for the new waist hem. Next, I pinned a new waist hem seam and top stitched this on the sewing machine. And I'm done. That's a 10-minute upcycling project. I told you it couldn't be any easier. I couldn't resist using those pretty sleeves and decided to add them to an upcycling project I had in progress. You can see that video on my channel. When cutting the sleeves from the leftover top, I made sure I left enough fabric to attach the sleeves to the new top. Then I just top stitched these in place. And here are the sleeves on the new top. I've even worn the top and the skirt together to work. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more, please give me a thumbs up. I've got loads of upcycling and sewing projects in progress, so subscribe for more inspiration.